Porsche has built a reputation not just on the road, but also on the racetrack. For decades, the German automaker has used motorsports to showcase its engineering, test new technologies, and push performance to new limits. From endurance racing and Formula E to GT3 and GT4 competitions, Porsche has been involved in some of the biggest racing series in the world. Now, Porsche is taking a major step forward in GT4 racing with the introduction of an all-new race car, the Porsche 911 GT4 R. This marks the first time a 911-based machine has been developed specifically for the GT4 category, replacing the long-running 718 Cayman-based racers that have represented the brand since 2016. GT4 racing has become one of the fastest-growing forms of customer motorsport, featuring production-based sports cars from manufacturers like Aston Martin, BMW, Ford, Nissan, Lotus, and many others. Porsche has been one of the category's standout performers, delivering around 1,500 GT4 race cars over the past decade, and earning a place among the most successful manufacturers in the series. The new 911 GT4 R is derived from the latest 911 Cup car, which itself is based on the road-going 992.2 Generation 911 GT3. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine capable of producing up to 512 horsepower and 470 newton-meters of torque. Depending on racing regulations and balance of performance requirements, output can be adjusted, with factory-installed air restrictors reducing power to around 424 horsepower when needed. Power is sent through a 6-speed sequential racing gearbox with paddle shifters and a 4-disc racing clutch, delivering the kind of rapid gear changes drivers expect on the track. Compared to the outgoing Cayman-based GT4 racers, the new 911 offers more power, a wider track, and upgraded motorsport electronics designed to improve both lap times and handling. The chassis also receives several upgrades. The car rides on specially designed wheels that are slightly narrower than those used on the 911 Cup car, while the suspension features dual adjustable dampers and springs with multiple setup options to suit different racing conditions. Aerodynamics have also been carefully refined. The body incorporates design elements inspired by the GT3 race car and features a manually adjustable rear wing with 11 settings. Porsche has also used lightweight natural fiber reinforced composite materials for components such as the doors, engine cover, aerodynamic elements, and parts of the cockpit to help reduce weight. Inside, drivers get a race-focused environment complete with a 10.3-inch color display, integrated data logging systems, and GPS functionality to provide key performance information during competition. Porsche expects the 911 GT4 R to compete in major GT4 championships around the world, including series in Europe and Germany. While the future of the Cayman-based GT4 racer remains unclear, it's obvious that Porsche sees the new 911 as the next chapter in its customer racing program. The Porsche 911 GT4 R is expected to hit the track next season, and in the United States, pricing starts at $375,500, including import and delivery costs. Whether it becomes the next dominant force in GT4 racing remains to be seen, but Porsche has certainly raised expectations with this exciting new machine.